Today, we're going to make an F1 racing game in Scratch. In this game, you control the Formula 1 car, race down the track at top speed, and dodge oncoming traffic without crashing. By the end of this tutorial, you'll learn how to make your own F1 racing game like this. Let's do it. First, let's upload the background for our F1 racing game. Let's choose a racing track backdrop. If you're following along with the same assets, you can find the background in the download link below or check out my Patreon membership page. Next, let's create a scrolling background. We upload the lane markings that move continuously down the screen. Even though the car stays in place, this creates the illusion that it's driving forward at high speed. When the green flag is clicked, set the road sprite to a smaller size and send it to the back layer. Then, use a forever loop. Place the road sprite at the top center of the screen and use a repeat until block to make it move downward until its Y position is less than -170. We can create a speed variable to control how fast the road moves. As the player increases their speed, the road will scroll faster, making the race feel faster and more intense. Let's add some sound effects. We need to add the music extension in Scratch. This gives us access to musical instruments and notes. When the green flag is clicked, choose the clarinet as the instrument. Then use a forever loop to keep playing a high-pitched note. To make the sound match the gameplay, reduce the beat duration as the speed variable increases. This makes the notes play faster and faster when speed goes up. Next, let's upload the car sprite that the player will control. When the green flag is clicked, set the car to a smaller size and move it to the center of the screen. Then, use a forever loop to keep the controls running. Make the car pointing upward. If the left arrow key is pressed, rotate the car slightly to the left and move it left. If the right arrow key is pressed, rotate the car slightly to the right and move it right. Now let's allow the player to control the speed of the F1 car. When the green flag is clicked, we use a forever loop. If the up arrow key is pressed, we increase the speed by 1. We add a short wait of 0.1 seconds so the speed doesn't jump too quickly. Likewise, if the down arrow key is pressed, we reduce the speed by 1 and wait 0.1 seconds. Now let's add the other cars. These are the cars you need to avoid. When the green flag is clicked, we first create a score variable to track how good the player performed. Then we make the obstacle car hide, set it to a smaller size, and make it point upward. We also set the initial speed to 60 so the game starts with fast-moving traffic right away. We use a forever loop, and we create a clone of the car every 1 second. When I start as a clone, first, make the clone show and change it to a random color. Then, make it appear from a random X position at the top of the screen. Now we use a repeat until loop to move the car down the screen. The movement speed will be based on the speed variable. Once the car reaches the bottom of the screen, we increase the score by speed value, meaning the faster you drive, the higher your score becomes. Finally, we delete the clone. To end the game, let's add a condition. When the green flag is clicked, we use a forever loop. If an enemy car touches the player car, we set the speed to 0 to immediately stop all movement. We play a drum crash sound. Then we stop the game. And that's it. You've just built your own F1 racing game in Scratch. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next game.